Mình thằng nào không?
Anh đi bên này. Không có sao thế nào vậy?
Mình thằng nào không? Buồn đấy. Buồn. Ini 8 Oktober 2020 সালমারি ও তিনি সারিকনি জরাব সারা ত্রিপুরা सुरांसारि चैनल नाय दंनाय जत आनि खाजानि ताकु बकु चालायसा खसा अकरा सकरा मापानि समान नरानो नरमनि थानि आनि हामजमाते खुलमानिया खरो ताई सुरांसातिनि चैनल नि बरनो नरनो पाइप्ले हामजमा ते हामबाय माया खरो नरमनि चैनल बिसिं दिख्लायै जोंसिनि बंसनि लोगोनि कफे ककारि अ हायुं गोनाङै जों पिरमामानि बागै नरनो पाइप्ले हामबाय मारियो दिनै कक या फांगाय दिनै अ चैनल बिसिं दिख्लाय जों अ सिनि त्रिपुरा हास्ट्रिनि नखरनो बा जों दिनै त्रिपुरा सरकार ताई दिनै भारत सरकार तथा पृथ्वीनि गोबां जायगा दं थानाय बर' रंथानि सिनि एक कयमुं ताई सिनि खरां इसाम जे जों पृथ्वीनि गोबां मानव जाति हैनो त्रिपुरा सार्वभौमसुंग कायसा बर'नि हिंजागै दङ अ बर'गो रिसार्च नुखा जे मंगोलियानि एक साब जों बकायसा वंशधर पृथ्वीनि निनि मंगोलियन जाति निनि ककेशियन जाति निनि एरियन जाति निनि मिग्रेट जाति रो मानजगबानि जागाओ एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट बे रिसार्च खायो कयेकटा जाति रो दङ आबन हति गोबां ब्रांच जों सारा उत्तर पूर्वांचल दं तंनाय जों मंगोलियन जाति जागै दङ मंगोलियन जातिनि कायसा पार्ट सिनि लाइफमा बलायखिन गोजामो हायं हासाकाओ आबो दिनै जरा जराबो दिनै अ हायं बेरनाय रगनि थानि जों लाइफमा रग बिजाब रग जों सुइजागनोबो आबो हाय एक गोजाम जाति रंनि जे लाइफमा न दिनै त्रिपुरा इउनिभार्सिटी एक पवित्रता कायसा मंदिर हिजागो शिक्षा उनका ज्ञानी कैसा भांडार ज्ञानी कैसा आलय जे जगह थांगे बर' सिनाय नुनानि दिनै देश बिजाति को जाति गोष्ठीनि इतिहास बंशनि कग्रनो साइमाननि जागाओ आ जागा बेलेखना आबो पवित्रता एवं सम्मानीय जागा आ जागा त्रिपुरा सरने हाजार वर्षनि इतिहास सकमलै ध्वंस खायै बिकृति खायनि आबो नुजायै दं ओंखाय आबोनि साथे साथे जों सब्राय सवालों ससाइटिनि अंगै आदं रंगै आ दिनै सेकेन्ड गोबां मा जागा जों बिखुब प्रतिबाद खायजा जागा जागा जों गोबां जागा रग सिनि संस्था नङै न आ गनो लाइबमा बिजाब जेता सिजाब दंमानि मन्दिर रंग जों सकलायजा ताई जेदि मण्डल जे दिनै एत खामिया चिन्ताधारा खाय एकटा जातिनो जातिनि इतिहास सकलानाय मानि बिनि पुस पत्रबो जों सकलायजा गोबां जायगा एवं आबो जतक्षण पर्यन्त आनटिल एंड आनलेस सेई हाजार बछरनि इतिहास बिकृति खायमानि बद्ध खाया शक्ति इउनिभार्सिटीआव चीना आ संग्राम चीना बिखुब प्रतिबाद आबसुलि दंनाय मिया सालो जों मियाव जोंनि दुस्की आमसाय महारानीपुर मंगिया गामि दैमदु चाकमाघाट ओमफ्राय कल्याणपुर आबहाय जायगायाव थांगा दिनैबो थां दंनायाव खोनाबो थानाय आपडे कन्टिनिउ आनटिल एंड आनलेस যতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত সরকার বাই त्रिपुरा इउनिभार्सिटी बाय সেই একটা বিতর্কিত বা ধ্বংস খাইনানি যে ইতিহাস ন আবহাওয়ায় যে একটা স্টাডি মেটেরিয়াল এম এ থার্ড সেমিস্টার আ জায়গাও আপনার ভক্ত খায়াসা চিনি চিনিম বিক্ষোভ প্রতিবাদ আবো কন্টিনিউ চলি থাকায় এবং মো সিংহে সীমাবদ্ধলাক नाथाय जों ताइबो अतर विशाल एक आंदोलन खायनो चिन्ता लाथांगौ दिनै जों अलरेडि त्रिपुरा इउनिभार्सिटीआव जों पस्टिं खा सुब्राय सवालोंनि उनाव जों दिनै 8-10 जन एक प्रतिनिधि थांगै भाइस चेन्सेलर दिनै रेजिस्ट्रार थानि चिनाका आवेदन थांगरिखा पिटिशन थांगरिखा आगामी दिनाव जों 13-14 तारिख मासनि सालाव जों डेपुटेशन जानो बागै ओमफ्राय दिनै आन्दोलनाबो दाबै थांदों दङ बर'बो थांबोथाक जानो आबो कोनो लाक्सुजरा जों साइमियाखौ तबे जों लांनो दंखाक जों आन्दोलन बस्ते थानाय कतर থেকে कतर आन्दोलन सिनि जतक्षण पର୍ଯ୍यন্ত सिनि लांनो दंसा पारिसाक जों आबो आन्दोलन खाइ थानाय ताई समस्त त्रिपुराबासी बुद्धिजीवी महल कर्मचारी गोबां पलिटिशियान विभिन्न जायगा तनायनो पयनामु सुंगो अबहाय जे एक विकृति इतिहास खायमानो जोंर राजनैतिक धर्म बर्ण हिन्ने ওই তাই সকল অংশনি বর্ণ পয়নামু সুंगो যেখানে কোন একটা জাতি গোষ্ঠীনি ইতিহাস বিকৃতি খাইমানো আবনো কাসুই जों गुरुं गुसुं प्लाय प्रतिबाद खायनांगौ दाबो आंर डेस्क्राइब खायनांगौ सुंगो बजागा जे बितर्कित हामिया साजागित उइलानो साकारो जेडी मंडलनि रेफारेंस नाहरै एमए थार्ड सेमेस्टार 550 বছর 550 বছর सिगांग त्रिपुरा सरकारनि कोनो अस्तित्व तमैया बांगाली राजानि सहयोगिता बाय रिफ्यूजी ट्राइबल so I would like to describe regarding the fabricated, distortion, concocted, baseless, meaningless statement made by the J.D. Mandal in the administrations and political history in Tripura, MA third year, 905E. In pursuit of that, I would like to strongly condemn and vehemently oppose regarding the preferred and mentions the statement before the 550 year ago there was no the existence of the Tripura kingdom or Tripura dynasties. Instead of that, the Tripura king or the subjects of Tripura people, they are under compulsions to take in the shelters in respect of kindness of the Bengali king. In view of that, there is very controversial and questionable matter is that. Now, one by one, I would like to submit with the evidence and record which is published in the Government Museum, especially in the name of the Tribal Resource Institutes. Shortly, it was known as TRI. Number one point is that before 550 years ago, if we are calculated in the Christian era or AD, it was most probably within the periods of 14th century to 1450th century. So in this period of time, there was already existed our kingdom. Not only that at that period of time, but also before the 250 BCA, before Christ, the kingdom of Tripura already existed in the periods of Mahabharata, which is refers that in the Mahabharata Sambhava Parva. So after in the Sambhava Parva, the king Yudhishthira especially invited to the Tripura kingdom for participated in his royal ceremony, coronal ceremony, royal coronal ceremony, Rashajak. At that period of time, there two terms is very important. The term is uses that immeasurably effulgence. The Maharaja Yudhishthir, the Samrat Chakravarti Yudhishthira, very respectfully invited to the king of Tripura during the 2500 years ago, BCA. If we are counted from today, it means approximately 5,000 years ago, 5,000 to 5,050 years ago. This is only recorded in the Sambhava Parva. This recorded already mentioned in this book, A Constitutional History of Tripura, written by Jagadish Gant Chaudhary, this book. They already therefore mentioned the existence of the Tripura kingdom, which is ruled by their own dynasties, old king. There is no any other king or rule over the Tiprasa community, Tiprasa people, but also, especially according to chronological history of Tripura, 184 king continuously dominated and ruled over its subject or citizens. The king actually belonged to especially Tripura people, Tiprasa community. Neither they are belong to another Muslim and Sikh person and Dravidian community, but also they are especially belongs to the Tiprasa community, Tripura communities. Now, another evidence is that, another point is that before the 550 years ago, J.D. Mandal, according to the reference of J.D. Mandal's statement in the study materials of M.A. 30 years in political science, a constitutional history of Tripura written by Mr. Dr. Jagadish Gant Chaudhary, he specially pointed out that before the 642 AD, 25 January, and in Bengali, Soka era, 30 March 563 Soka era, Purnima. It is very auspicious and red letter day for the Tiprasa people due to the establishments of the new capital of Tripura, Hill Tripura. It was at present the Hill Tripura capital actually established in the place of Bharat Valley. Actually, Bharat Valley and Kasar, these places are already actually part of the Tripura in ancient periods. Ancient means it is during the periods of 642 AD, at that point of time, the Bharat Valley and Kasar already actually included in Tripura, part of Tripura. Then, the Adi Dharmapha situated a kingdom of Tripura located at Bharat Valley. Then the hilly Tripura map actually cover up at the place of Dharmanagar, Kailasahar, present Dharmanagar, which is North district, Kailasahar, and some now actually Bangabhumi and Bangladesh, Purva Banga, some Sylhet part, Sylhet, Kasar, and Bharat Valley, Dharmanagar, Kailasahar, except Rangamati. According to historical record, the Rangamati after that, Rangamati was annexed by our king for the defeated to the Mokras. This is during the periods of 1200 AD. 1200 AD. So, according to the statement referred by the J.D. Mandal, in different way, not only one way, but also in different way, different point of view, different evidence, it is baseless, concluded, meaningless. It is only for confidence, only for ill intention, malintention, adversely they affected before the existence of Triparasa. Therein, with the people of Triparasa, which shall not be considered to such kinds of the statement, such kinds of the fabricated history made by some ill-intentioned people like the J.D. Mandal. Because in this history, in this point of view, there was lakhs and lakhs people's existence are included, are existed. These are the matters. So another point is that J.D. Mandal maybe considers one kind of the conspirator because the subject matters are related to the actually that means in general in public interest, not only individual but also in general or in public interest. So he pointed out the Bengali king. Now questions comes up. It is not my intention to discredit, to disrespect to any community or any caste or people, a group of community, but also according to historical reference, especially J.D. Mandal referred at Hindu Bengali. So in person of that, it is I under compulsion to point it out regarding this view that nowadays the terms of Bengali, which is known as, we maybe considered as particular tribes of community, Bengali. But if you are uses or if you are mentions the terms of the Bengal, which is another matters. But especially J.D. Mandal referred Bengali king. So according to historical record, now question comes up that whether the Bengali, from which period of time the Bengali community are existed in the world, especially in India, whether the Bengali king are actually existed in the Bangladesh or not, or in the Bangabhumi or not. There is a very questionable matters. According to some scholars of the Bengali side, there is specially referred that the language of the Bengali established in the period of 11 to 12 AD. 11 to 12 AD. Before that, the Bengali language are not existed. So it means that before the 11 to 12 AD, 1100 to 1200 AD, there was no existence, no the records in the name of Bengali tribes. According to this opinion, this is the matter. But the Bangabhumi, the king of Bengal, it was existed before the immemorial period of time. It was especially referred in Mahabharata period also. But the Bongo and Bangla, this is the, according to some writer and some historical record, they are defined as it was actually derived from the Sino-Tibetan or Mongolian subfamilies language, the Bangla language. Another reasonable point is that in the land of Bongo or Bangla, there was dominated and existed in the name of Mahajanapada, in the name of the Magadha dynasty, in the name of Gupta dynasty, in the name of the Nanda dynasty, in the name of the Chandra dynasty and Deva dynasty, and lastly Sen dynasty. Sen dynasty especially records, according to record dates, 1200 years, 1200 AD. After that, the Hindu Sen dynasty already defeated. In that, the Hindu king ruled in the place of Bangabhumi, Bangla. Though it was not considered belongs to the Bengali community, but the Sen dynasties maybe, most probably may be considered under the Magadha dynasty, Magadha community, yes, Sung dynasty. This is the matter. So, according to J.D. Mandal, before the 550 years means during the periods of 14 to 1450 100 years. So if we are calculated that the Hindu king ruled till the periods of 12th century, 1204, then already defeated by the Gor Nawab. Gor Nawab means who is especially belongs to the Muslim community, Muslim emperor. So during the periods of 14th century, 1400s AD, there was no meaning of the Hindu king rule or dominators over the native lands of the Bangabhumi or Bangladesh. There is no meaning because the Bangabhumi king or Hindu king already actually ended their periods during 1200 AD already. So in this reference, I would like to defend and claim that regarding the statement made by the Jati Mandal, there is no any reasonable methods, no any scientific ground there, except the conspiracy. It is clearly proved that it is a conspiracy, malintention, concocted, baseless, try to very, that means eagerness to destined to the very ancient and rich cultures of particular tribes of community. This is the matter. So another point is that if the Bengali, suppose if the hill Tripura, the Tripura sub people, Tripura king are, they actually had gotten the shelters by the means of kindness of the Bengali king in the hill Tripura during the period of 1400 AD, then there must be Bengali people or Bengali king must be existed. Their history, their culture, their traditions must be existent there in the palace of Hill Tripura. But according to a census report, I would like to define that. British political agent report. According to British political agent report by the British civilian Hunter Sahib. Hunter Sahib during the periods of 1874 to 75. According to his census report, he pointed that in the Hilli Tripura, their total population 74,242. Total population. Total population in Hill Tripura 74,242. Among that, জাতি বা উপজাতির নাম ত্রিপুরা, জমাতিয়া, নোয়াতিয়ারিয়ান, হালাম, কুকি, and Hindu, Muslim, মণিপুর, খ্রিস্টান, and পার্বত্য উপজাতি শ্রেণীভুক্ত নয়, and others community. But during the periods of 18th century, 1874, census made by the Hunter Sahib, there was no day existed in the name of Bengali Jati in the Hill Tripura. This is very surprising matter. If suppose if the actually during the 14th century, 1400s AD, if the Hill Tripura people or the king of Tripura got the shelters by the kindness of the Bengali king, then must be existed the Bengali population in the census reports during the periods of 1800s, 1874. But neither there is a single Bengali community existed in these census reports referred, except Muslim, Hindu Muslim, Hindu Bengali, Muslim Bengali, only for Muslim. Another point is that the census are a continuity after the year to year wise. It was continuity after the 1941. It is the last population census conducted by our Maharaja. Last Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur. This is the last population census. At that point of time, last population 1941. In the 1941, according to census reports, there was existed in the name of Bengali, but Muslim Bengali. So, in the 1941, there are two types of Bengali are divided in the name of one Bengali is Hindu Bengali, another Bengali is Muslim Bengali, Musliman Bengali. In the years of 1941, Musliman Bengalis population ratio is 1 lakh something. There was total Bengali population is 1,63,000 in the 1941 census. But if we are actually calculated and if we are minus, 1,63,000 among that total Muslim Bengali was 1,09,700 something. So the Bengali may be 30,000, 35,000 like that. But there was clearly mentioned that in the hill Tripura, the Tripura kingdom, it was dominated, it was ruled by the Aborigines or Tiprasa indigenous people. But during the periods of 18th century, 17th century, then the Maharaja of Tripura brought to the some Muslim Bengali and Hindu Bengali for the purpose of occupational purpose, like the cultivation, some domestic supplementary worker, and some others private maintenance matters. Along with some in the periods of Birchandra Manikya, then some scholars also, they came in Tripura by the kindness of the Maharaja for the purpose of scholars, research, as well as some cultural matters and some royal, to maintain the royal administrations. This is the matter. But according to these reports, they were not son of the soil of the Tripura, but also they came only for occupational purpose by the exchange of the pay or by the exchange of money. It was not actually considered they are actually citizens of Tripura, but also they are only for occupational purpose. They came only for by the exchange of money, and as per the appointed of by our Maharaja, their service in the Tripura by the exchange of money. So, if we are through and research justify regarding the statement made in the third semester Tripura University in political subject, political science, according to opinion of the J.D. Mandal, there must be majority of the Bengali people must be existence in Tripura. But instead of that, till the periods of 17 to 18, there was very less numbers of the people who are actually belongs to the Bengali Muslim and Bengali Hindu. This is a very authentic fact. So if we are actually imagine, if we are some research with scientifically, before the 18th or 17th century, 1700s AD or 1400s AD, I think there was neither a single numbers of the Bengali existence for the purpose of work or for occupational purpose, I think, according to my opinion. Because in the 1800s, 1700s, there was very less numbers of the Bengali, Hindu Bengali and Muslim Bengali. So before the or during the periods of 1400s AD and 1200s AD, there was very less number of people. So the opinion made by the Jadimandal, it is baseless. There is no any reason, no any reasonable grounds except the conspiracy, except the fabricated statement, except the fabricated opinion in respect of the distinction, in respect of the delegates of the ancients and precise history, culture of the Tiprasa people. So another point is that now in Tripura, Bengali community are majority now. But there is one question is arise up in my mind, that whether Bengali, how if the Bengali are very less numbers of population during the periods of 70 to 1800s AD, then how in the present scenario, in the present position, how the Bengali community are actually majority? It may be questionable, maybe comes up the question. So according to this Samudra the Brahman population census, during the periods of the 1971 in Tripura, there was 13 lakh Bengali Sonority Ashray already shelters. 13 lakh. 13 lakh. 13 lakh. During the 71. 13 lakh. Refugee rehabilitation in Tripura, written by the Gayatri Bhattacharya, which is published in Guwahati library. They are already mentioned that six lakh 9,000 something, 6,09,999 as per the government registers. As per the government registers during the periods of 1971, which is already refugee rehabilitated in Tripura by the government. But there is some question is that as per this reference, this registration numbers, register numbers up to the date of 1963. 1963. After that, there is no registers to the immigrants, people of Bengali, which has come from the East Bengal into Tripura. This is the matter. So my opinion is that in different view, in different way, the statement might have said J.D. Mandal in the MA third semester in political science, administrative political history in Tripura. There was no any reasonable ground, no any authentic records authentic and proof, except baseless, except fabricated, except contorted, meaningless, or only for implementation of the conspiracy or distinction to the historical and the Triprasa's recent ancient history. Another point is that before the 550 years ago, another proof is that evidence is that then already in Tripura, there already actually the Tripura kingdom already existed, ruled or dominated by our Dharma Manikya, 1458 Christabda, which is the official gazetted notification, land allotment made by the our Maharaja Dharma Manikya during the period of 1458. It means before the 550 years ago. It means what is the actually, I already said, the Jedimandal, whatever the Jedimandal mentioned, there is no any reasonable ground. So lastly, I would like to humble request to the competent authority of the Tripura University as well as state administrative body and so-called intellectual persons in Tripura as well as in the country as well as in the world who are interested, who are consciousness for the preservation of the human rights, human existence, or love and faith and beloved to the all the living creatures, irrespective of the caste or communities or tribes. So now the establishments of these study materials in the Tripura universities, this is one cause of the endangers before the existence of the Triprasa community, Triprasa people. So this is my humble request. Please, if the government of Tripura as well as this central government or the competent authority of the Tripura University or with the people of India, if you are conscious, if you are respects, if you are giving the valuable to our constitutions, we must be stained, we must be gathered before this ill administration, before this ill printed the hope in the name of the political history, admission history, in political science in the Tripura universities. We have to gather, we have to oppose, we have to movement regarding these ill intentions and malpractice for the purpose of distinction or delegates to the Triprasa's history and ancient culture and their identity. Because we know that, moreover, there is some scholars or finders, the history is one kind of our identity. History one kind of our existence. Through our study of the history, we can realize, we can obtain the knowledge regarding our descendants, regarding our ancestral history, as well as about our identity. So it should be immediate relegates or disbanded. This book should be disbanded in the Tripura University immediately. If not disbanded and if not delegates are removed in the Tripura University to this book, to this subject, then I already before already mentioned that our movement, our agitations, our voice shall be continued. Shall be continued until and unless shall not become of the solutions. And there is our humble request. It should be immediately delegates and proper maintain as per the that means guideline, that means which is preferred by the UGC rule. Then lastly again I would like to thankful to all the sections of the people who are believed to the honesty, faith and truth and reality. Please be conscious and support with us, especially in the hours deputation. We actually held on day on 13 to 14. It may be if the competent authority or vice chancellors are permitted to us for deputation on the date of 13 to 14 this month, then we shall be gathered before the premises of the Tripura University. So in this our deputation, I would like to invite and request for participants in this deputation to all sections of the people. This is my humble request. Thank you to all. Thank you Tripura Sadapha. Thank you Tripura Sai Block.